Okay, so my Windows washer pump it's not working. It's making a little bit of noise when I try to turn it on, but it's not actually pumping. So I'm gonna check to see if the pump is okay. To take this out, you see this top connector here? Basically, this is gonna fit inside like this position, just inside here, okay? So you're gonna disconnect this electrical connector here, and on the top towards the back here, sorry for the lighting here, you want to push that down where my finger is, okay? Push that down while pulling it away from the tank. Okay, once that's popped out, you're gonna have to wiggle this part out of the tank. There's nothing to unscrew, or there's no bolt or nuts. You're just gonna wiggle it back and forth, you know, while kind of prying it out. If you use a screwdriver without damaging the rubber that's attached to the tank, it might help. Let me see if I can get a shot of the rubber over there. Yeah, this piece here, okay, came out of there. So don't try to pull that out. I did that initially. And then once you pull it out, actually it's this way. You see these two connectors? Initially, I was trying to pull this and this hose out, but in reality, all you have to do is stick a screwdriver, and you can wedge out. Oops, the other way. Okay, you see it goes in there. Just stick a screwdriver, and then you can pull that out. The most difficult part is probably getting your hands wrapped around in there and trying to push down the tab while pulling it out. You know. So let me see. Oh, by the way, you're gonna need, depends on how much washer fluid you have in there, you're gonna need 1.5 at least, or 2 gallon a bucket to catch it all. I'm not gonna put this back in. This container's not very clean. I'll just use this to clean car windows, but I'm gonna pour this out. It's not that expensive. Okay, so I got my replacement washer pump. I ordered it from Amazon. I think it was around 10 bucks or so. This is the one I took out. Looks identical. I didn't know it was gonna include this grommet. This is the part that actually goes into the tank. My old one is still on the tank, so I'll replace that. And this piece here is also included, so that's nice. I took that out. So basically, yeah, I gotta undo these two thin hoses and connect it, and then this power cord here. So this should go pretty quick. Okay, so you see this notch here? Uh, that's kind of biting this thin hose. So I had to squeeze a screwdriver right there at the end, and then kind of push it out, and then also while pulling on the hose itself. So it gave me a little bit of trouble, not too much, but it did take a few minutes to get this wiggled out. Okay, so get your power connector put in, and then the two side hoses, and then you can just push this in into the grommet. Okay. Okay, this is the view from the bottom of the car. Make sure you see that grommet that I replaced, and this new washer pump. Make sure it goes in all the way flushed, touching the grommet. Initially, I thought it was in. You have to really wiggle it and kind of squeeze both sides really tight. Make sure it's all the way in. Okay, I just filled in some windshield washer, and make sure, check to see if there's any leak. You don't want to have to open up your car again. So looks good. I'm gonna actually see if it works before I put everything back. Okay, actually I studied the video a little bit late. As you can see, I got the washer coming out. Initially it didn't come out. I mean, it took probably about 10 times to, pull on the washer switch here. I guess the hose was empty, so it took some time for that to fill up. So, but it's working now. I ordered a replacement part from Amazon for 11 bucks because they've been very reliable with 1 to 2 day delivery in my area. Plus, dealer wanted more than 30 bucks. Also, if you can wait a few more days, then you can save about 4 bucks if you order it from eBay.